Okay, second unboxing of the day. And this, I think, is the high definition cards that work in my Sony Mavica. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. There we go. Across there. Right, that should open now. Right, ready? Yeah, I knew it was one of them. Yeah, there we go. There we are. Told ya. Right, let's get them out. That is good packaging, to be fair. So, it kind of makes me think that I didn't need to invest in them. So I could have saved some money on them because I bought these. You need 140 of these for every one of these. It says 10, but on the thing it said 9. So I think they've used one. Ah, that's why. They've used one. So let me show you. Look at how beautiful that is. Brand new, not even opened. Find a place to put that. Right. Brand, and I'm going to open one right now as we speak. So, Grand Prix promo. When's this from? Imitation. I'm going to see if it works. That's what I'm going to do. I always remember, it's like with mini discs, it was always hard to open these things. There we go. There we go. Using my trusty knife always works. Okay, let's open it. There we go. Right, that's rubbish. Imation disc. I wonder if it needs formatting. 120 megabytes for one. Oh, look at that. Look at the thing of beauty. Stickers already on. Right, I wonder if that'll still work. I just need to go and get the camera out of the car. I'll get the camera out of the car and I'll do a video to see if they work. Because obviously these definitely work. These are just the normal 3.5s. But they might not be able to read. Oh, in fact I can try it. Because I've got a battery here. Right, I think this is the battery that works. Right, I've got a Mavica here. So let's see if it works then. Right, I had 2 batteries at work. This is one of the ones that does. Yep, see? Get this off. Right. Now it won't. Right, let's make sure. Okay, so let's have a go. On. It's running away from me. I'm literally trying to open it and it's running away from me. Right, you ready? Let's have a look. Disk access. Oh, it's flashing. Disk error. I knew it. I knew it. I just had that inkling that they weren't going to work. But it's worth a try. Right. I did put it in the right way, didn't I? So these are the cheap ones. Disk access. Yeah, they work fine. Such a shame that these didn't work. Gutted. Now I just think it's obviously too just testing it out, seeing how many fit on there. So we've done 3 so far. I'll turn the flash off. Flash is too powerful. So 4 shots in the flash. 4 shots, yeah, and it's full. Four shots and it's full. So let's try one more time with this. One more time. It's a brand new card. I reckon it's because it's not formatted. Disk error. I wonder if you can format the card. It's not saying you can. Disk tool. Oh, here we go. Disk tool. Format. Oh, it could work. No, disk error. It's not having it. It's not having it. That's a shame. But what's hilarious is it only takes 4 pictures on these cards. Only takes 4. Look, watch. Right, so disk access. I've turned the flash off, so it's just natural light now. Right, this one doesn't have manual focus, so this one's not as good. This one's not as good. So this one, if I'm going to sell any, it's going to be this one. Because I've got 3 in total. So there's 2 photos. See if this one does any more. There's 3. So the other ones took more pictures. Let's just do one more here. I think the flash makes it, yeah, disc full. So 1 disc takes 4 photos. That's it. No wonder it was a dead format. No wonder. Listen, Sony Mavica is going to be listed on my eBay sales page very soon. By the end of today, it'll be on there. There's already a Pentax SF7 on there. I think it's body only. And I've thrown in a manual focus lens. So, oh, sorry. So, like and subscribe, guys. See you in a bit. Bye.